Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's do a stacked bar chart. So under my visualization pin, I'll click on this visual for stacked bar chart. Then now I want under my axis to be here, so I will drag date and drop under axis, but I want it in terms of years. Again, I will drag country and drop under legend, and then I'll drag sales amount and drop under values. So here what has been stacked here is the countries. So the countries have been dropped under the legend so that they can be stacked. But let me add in the values for, or rather the labels. So I'll put the data labels on, and then I'll give my legend, I'll rather put my legend at the bottom center, and then I'll give my visual center alignment in terms of title, and then I'll also do a border with this color, and then with the radius of 19px. So here we've done our bar chart, stacked bar chart, but let me still do some cosmetics. I want the axis to be a little bit clearer, so I'll make the colors to be black. So I'll go to y-axis, change the color here to be black, and the same I will apply on the x-axis. I will also make this color to be black. So here we made our stacked bar chart, but again you can always do a stacked bar chart without using the legend. So let me just do another stacked bar chart. So again I'll click on this stacked bar chart visual, then I want to drag country and drop on the axis. And now I will not use the legend, and then now again under values I will be using total product cost, sales amount and gross margin. So I will drag total product cost and drop on the values, and I will drag sales amount and drop on the values also, and then again I will drag gross margin and drop on the values. Then now let me add the data labels and put the data labels on, and again the axis I want to be much clearer, so I'll make the colors black. Again this applies also to x-axis, and then now I want to copy the formatting for the first visual and paint on the other one for the border. Now you can see we've also done another stacked bar chart, but now we've not used the legend. Instead we've used the option of values on the field button. So I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you understood, and then let's stop at that for this video, and let's meet on the next video for clustered bar chart.